We are getting ready to start a new project. We're gonna be building a set and taking it to Nashville. We already did it once this year, and now we're really excited to go back because they have so much good food and so many fun things to do. After speaking with Olivia Jean, David sketched out a design and built a miniature scale model of his idea.
What do you think, Joey? What do you think?
We did a photo shoot with our mini set and our McDonald's Barbie model, then sent the idea off for approval. We waited patiently for a few days and then got the news that our set was approved and we started building. We have the platforms built. They are looking good on our scaled model. We have completed, well, what this is on right now is actually this platform. And then this one down here is this, but we still haven't put the legs on it yet. So that is for tomorrow. So we had a really unfortunate thing happen the other day when we were cutting wood on the table saw. It started to smoke and make a terrible noise. David took the motor apart and we found this broken bearing inside of it. But luckily, we found the bearing on Amazon, the exact same one, and we are going to try to replace it and see if it works. Fingers crossed it does, because we have a deadline to meet.
Did you want to YouTube it, or you want
Okay, so we should probably get like a hammer.
Wait,
and a
which
piece of
side
wood.
was it the right way?
They're the same on both sides.
They are?
Yeah, see.
I think
Forward
I
that
would.
way, feel like
No, I
you-
would. No, Flush. Yep. Right? We have to give you the scalpel.
Oh man, look at that screwdriver.
I'll give you a scalpel.
Moment of truth. Did they fix it? Will it turn on? Oh! Success! Thank God. The saw debacle set us back a day, so we really had to kick things up a notch to meet our deadline. Slowly but surely, and many, many screws later, the set was really starting to come together. Like, wow, it looked exactly like the model. We took this set apart because it's paint day. Layer of primer going down now, and then we have some beautiful colors for this set. Choosing the perfect shade of purple took a lot of thought and deliberation. It had to be cool, exciting, and feminine, but also a little spooky at the same time. What do you think of the paint color?
Very good.
Yeah, it is. Check out this beautiful shade of purple. You can probably tell, but I'm a really neat painter. Dun, 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 we have a new color. This one is Forget Me Not. It's the darker shade of purple. It's a hurt day. Everything is painted, and now we're starting to set up the set, test fit, make sure everything looks great, and then we're gonna practice lighting Make sure everything is exactly how we want it to be. This was the moment of truth. Would everything come together as planned? And would it actually look good? Oh yeah. We're going to use the Hasselblad X1D2 for our shoot in Nashville with Olivia Jean, and I am so excited for it. This camera is insane, and this lens. It took a lot of math, but David designed the set to fit perfectly in our truck bed. We're going to Nashville, David!
Yeah!
Keep right at the fork to continue on I-24 West.
How cute is our super colorful little hotel room? Here for all the color. Drum roll, a beautiful hotel pizza. Doesn't get any better than that. It's shoot day! We rolled up to Third Man Records and unloaded our set for Olivia Jean's album cover shoot in the Blue Room. We set everything up, prepped the Hasselblad X1D2, and got everything lit. Ah! How amazing does it look? Everything came together perfectly. Perfect, the face is perfect. I just need you to come step the smallest bit this way. Just shift your weight just a little bit. Yes, great. You're just cruising through Portal Land. It's going so smooth. Everything's going well. That's perfect. Big eyes, love that. Stomp your foot right there. Like, I am the X-Woman! Yes! Ooh, perfect. Lean towards me again. Lift the shoulder up a little bit. There, he's freaking you out. You don't like it. Oh! Yes, there we go. Okay, now start to pull out of the hole. And just like that, we shot our first album cover. Olivia Jean's new album, Raving Ghost, is available through Third Man Records now. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to see more wild set designs and shoots by Jada and David.